What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'll be reviewing Sylo Ico. Now, this ICO, what is it all about? It says the tech that helps you stage you. In a world of mindless browsing and intrusive advertising, Sylo puts you back in control of your own digital world. It's a community of like-minded people and businesses who want full control over how they contribute and the information they share online. So it's all about data, sharing data online, having control over our data, having control over intrusive or annoying ads as it well. So let's check the ICO one to another and see our reviews about it. Let's go to the team members. Let's see the team member briefly. Brian Russell, Aaron McDonald, Robin Joannick, Daniel Gillespie, and all the rest here are involved in this project. These are the team member, quite a number of them, quite a community of them. And let's check the white paper. 46-page white paper, well put together. So I encourage you, as I've always said, go through the white paper of any ICO you're investing in. Read it well, know what it's all about. In fact, with the white paper, you'll be able to know a lot, and a lot about what the token is all about, what the project is all about. As far as you can see, this is ERC token based on the Ethereum exchange, and you can get involved with this ICO. May say will open in 11 days. May say open in 11 days. So I encourage you to be on the wait and sign up for this ICO. And they have 7,907 members on their Telegram. I believe it's almost 8,000. I believe in days or few weeks to come, this number should increase greatly. Let's check their Twitter. They have over 6,000 followers on their Twitter. Let's check the laser ranking. More visitors from Costa Rica, from United States, from India, from Russia. And 2014 they registered on the website, and 2019 is going to expire. For me, going through the website and checking things up, I believe this is a unique project. This is a good project. Is a nice one, and with people more concerned about their data they are giving now, people more aware about as they don't need. So this is a good project. This is a good project, and but don't forget, anything I say in this video is straight of my own personal opinion. Make your own decision, do your own due diligence. As I will going to drop the link below for you to sign up. And please, before you go, sign up for subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.